gain millions of views on TikTok, and this is how you guarantee to go viral. The most important part of a viral TikTok is the hook. You need to grab your viewers' attention as quick as possible within the first 3 seconds of the video. So for my most viral video, the hook I used was use these video settings to get a huge advantage. This works because I immediately told the viewer what the video was about and gave them a reason to watch, which was to get a huge advantage. Now that you have them hooked, you need to deliver. The information that you are selling the viewer needs to actually be useful or entertaining, or they're just going to swipe away. When it came to the video I made, I just made it about something I always wanted to find out. That is, what are the best video settings in Fortnite? I knew that if I had the question, others would have it too. If you can't find out what people want to know, then just search your topic on Google Trends. Your video needs to be relevant to what people want now. If you're giving old information that most people already know or that people don't care about, then your video will not go viral. You can have a great video idea, but if it's too late on the wave, then it's just going to crash. On the other end of it, people might not just be ready for it. Many times on TikTok, a video posted the first time can just get a couple thousand views, but when reposted or remade a couple months later, can go viral and explode with hundreds of thousands of views. Sometimes people just weren't ready at the time for your video, but that does not mean it wasn't a viral worthy video. If you think you have a good video on your hands, don't just throw it away. Wait a couple months and repost it. For example, the first iteration of one of my viral videos got 600,000 views, which is good, right? But I felt it could get more. So I waited a few months and remade the exact video word for word. When I posted it the second time around, it got over 1.5 million views. A lot of the time, the first time you post a video isn't going to get the most views possible. If you're thinking now you want to try to make a viral video and you want to know how to edit them for the best results, watch this video on my editing process where I show exactly how I make my viral TikToks.